today we're going to be making some muffins. We sent you home with a recipe this week, which uses two really simple ingredients. All it's going to be is devil's food cake mix and pumpkin. That's it. Okay. So the first thing it asks you to do is pour in the devil's food cake into a bowl and make sure you whisk it to get any of the big lumps out. After that, you're just going to add in your pumpkin and mix. Just be sure not to put anything else that it asks for on the cake mix. All you need is the cake mix itself and pumpkin. And then you're just going to mix it in and incorporate it until it's one big smooth batter. And it is going to be super thick, so I know you might be tempted to add something else in, but all it is just these two things. All right, so after a couple minutes of mixing, you're gonna get a batter that looks something like this. So then you're gonna scoop it into some muffin cups, or you can spray a muffin pan. And then you are going to bake them for about 20 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean.
Okay friends, and after 20 minutes we're going to take our muffins out. And we're going to go ahead and check them with a toothpick. And then we're going to go ahead and check them with a toothpick just in case. And it came out clean. And I think you're ready to eat one. Let them cool off for about 10 to 5 minutes maybe, and then you'll be able to enjoy them. Okay friends, so this is the end result of our brownie muffins. They're nice and fluffy, and if you want to put like a little extra into it, you can put some chocolate chips in there. And that's it. Thank you friends for joining us today. Hello friends, and our toothpick is clean, so we're going to go ahead and take our muffins out of the oven, okay?